Today, we're doing a gas conversion on a SIT series side mount pilot assembly. In order to do so, we're going to need to remove the old orifice and install our new orifice for the right gas type. First thing we need to do is remove the pilot hood. To do so, we can gently wiggle and pull the pilot hood out, exposing the gas orifice. Now you'll take a 5/32 Allen wrench and turn the orifice counterclockwise until it screws out. We're going to set aside our old orifice and grab the new one for the right gas type. Set it in the pilot assembly and tighten that down clockwise until it's nice and snug. Give it an 1/8 of a turn, and the gas orifice has been installed. Last step, we need to take our pilot hood, line up the pin on the pilot and our opening here on the hood. Press down gently until you hear a snap. Now you'll notice got 3 ports here for gas, one going to the thermocouple, one going to the thermopile, and one going to the burner. Gently wiggle the pilot hood to make sure it's secure. After you've done that, your pilot has been converted and it's all set.